morning, good evening, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, the Shine Your Eye YouTube channel with this. So, what I want to talk this evening now about one news one say about Samuel Eto'o ex-girlfriend. Say the girl can regret say he no marry Samuel Eto'o. He abandon her, come out when they young. So he say I regret abandoning Samuel Eto'o when we were young. Ex-girlfriend cries out. So when I see this news, I can't laugh. I say, so most of our women, they never still get sense. Say, no be all relationship must lead to marriage, or no be all relationship you must bump put. They never still get sense. So in case of una we don't know who be Samuel Eto'o, now the Cameroon footballer, when he come Spain, come they play for Mallorca. Okay, come they play for Mallorca, he still play for Barcelona. So he play for Madrid, Mallorca, and then Barcelona Football Club for Spain. If you marry to one Igbo, and then with the Igbo can get problem, the Igbo can separate, carry some money inside. Okay, so this Oyibo self, if it leave footballer, come out, it should not die. So now this one will be say, he friend that when they small, now they cry so say, he pain us in liver. Now this one be the big problem when most of our Daki women get. Instead of them to better their life, make the best out of their life, they go they regret man when they don't friend through away 20 years ago. They go they find out they want to go back to the man. As if say, now the man, their destiny in their hand. When I go talk, say, make woman level up, make woman better her life every day. Try to do the best for yourself. If you better your life, you do the best for yourself, you will see better man. We will come marry you, come wife you. If the marriage be your problem. Okay? But many of you no feel better on a life, I don't feel repair on a life. Now they complain, now they stuck for one place, they look for one man where they home, we want come marry una, when they say, I'm not better on a life. Some of you go settle for less because of someone they look for husband. Some of them go friend one man, and I go just talk for there, marry, we start to born bunch of children for suffer. Imagine how many years ago we leave Samuel Eto'o. So you don't feel make yourself comfortable. You don't feel better your life. Now you believe say na Samuel Eto'o, now you go for better your life, now you go for be your last bus stop. Who tell you say this type of men, the women when you struggle follow them, that they marry them. They know they marry them. You just want to sacrifice yourself. You want to make yourself as a sacrificial lamb. When you be say at the end, you will be used and dump. You will burn scatter self. Samuel Eto'o will carry one shabby girl where he say he never will break melon for her. Also, follow one, go put her for us. That one not go even work. Will take off her. But all of them now they get sense with what they happen to other women. Instead of now they use what they happen to other women, they get sense. Now they blame the women. Maybe the man leave her, a character not good. Maybe the man leave her one thing to one. But now say now this type of struggle of one that they buy into every day. Now they cause this type of attitude. When we say after another follow man, climb mountain, do everything, the man go drop on her like bad business. Carry woman where we say you know do anything for her. Because not be all men, 80% of men, they know they feel they stay with women when they don't always struggle with them. Because they don't see all finish. At the end, they will deal with women when they say, they don't do anything for them. Marry them, one touch as they need them. They will start to live their life. Meanwhile, you, when they say, you leave this man, come out for years, you do nothing with your life. You can't take cleaning job. Just say, they call the woman, she can't take cleaning job, they do cleaning. Instead of her to go level up, to go better in life. If the man be problem for her to go look for man when be say get money, go around the area when be say people when reach day, dress up, look nice, not even born children anyhow. Hold your womb, look for better man when you reach where will take off you. Born for no. She goes take cleaning job or go back to school, study, get better work. No. Maybe she don't go born scatter from one poor man now. He will come say his boyfriend. He will start to complain, say, oh, if say I know, I for just stay, I for not leave her. If you not leave her, go for leave you. And that one be the truth. If say you not leave that man at all. He will still leave you this at the same time. Now waste of time. Now waste of time. Because many of you when I believe in struggle of say, I must suffer follow man before I will live in a life. That man when I suffer follow I must marry. Who tell you so say na so it be now waste of time. Most of these men they will waste all your time of your youth. Tell me you for they do better thing. All the people where they your won't be waste time for nothing. At the end, they not going to still stay with you. Why you be say when be African women, not too like struggle love, not too like to suffer for marriage. They wait to make the man get money first before una go get. Una not get life. What about if una go for the money, go find money by yourself? What about if una go look for man we don't do already made? Marry. No. Una if you marry man we get already made, no one do anything for you, they not go respect you. It's concern you. Marry man, we be say go get something we go do for you presently, not the future. How many women don't stay for man future? They wait for man future we enjoy. Zero. Few women just suffer follow man, they can't enjoy their suffer. Many of them, they use their time, they everything they hold on to the marriage like any other thing. Some go through humiliation, some go through abuse because they hold on to that day when they want to enjoy. Some won't die put. Why be saying now with the African women, you not too like this character. Oh, now I don't friend that before. Now me they when they suffer. Now me they when they learn work. Now me they when they do this one. If una go see better man, several one wife una put for house then, una know, una go hold on to that man. Una get loyalty for man when be say, you don't get loyalty for una. Most of all these men, when they so follow, so if they win lottery today, they'll throw una like bad business. Immediately, they will drop una. You get one Brazilian musician when he sing, I say, get one music when the Brazilian musician sing. As he do that hit, he leave his girlfriend when they do for many years immediately. Most men, they love una because they do for suffer. When they inside money, they don't want to have anything to do with most of una when these women, when they hang around. If you regret your boyfriend when you come on that time is doing fine, my dear, you go and do fine. You go and do fine. How can a man live you 10 years and come back and meet you in poverty? Wait till they go on. Some of them will go Europe. The man will live and go Europe, come back, he will come into for suffer. Now see the final they go tell now go sleep with them. Wait till they do now look. Instead of you to go and get better education, instead of you to go and get better life, instead of you to go digging, look for better man marry, when you get money, you will go look for one farmer. After you don't do that first, great suffer, follow that your first boyfriend, you go look for another man again when they suffer, where you want go think, when they think for your mind, say you feel build. At the end, you know if you build nothing, now waste of time. That man will use you build himself, he will drop you like bad business. When I will get sense, all this women, when I will get sense. For example, see Two-Face. Now so and he did suffer follow on. Suffer follow on, play music, do music, stay with them when they young. You know say be no one marry. You know say be no one marry. He give almost how many girls belly born scatter before he come marry. When I know they use all those until they get sense. Say what he happen for A, he will happen for B. 2% maybe those women when they suffer. When this man was sick, he was there when I was suffering. You know what that stress when that woman don't take go through. You know as many of them they hold on to the relationship as if saying that their last breath be that. When I go get sense all these women? When I go get sense on her head? Because me myself I the shame for her. When I get to wake up from when I sleep, from this nonsense of struggle of when I put on herself, when I say when I must suffer follow man before the man will recognize say when they leave, before the man will recognize say you go marry una. What of all those women when you just the kind of fall inside money, they get 7 head. I be their make now 20. When I get sense, if man leave you come out, go and level yourself, or you leave the guy, come on, go level yourself, go better yourself, make the best out of yourself. No be man will come from Europe, you go run follow man, you don't hear say man gets more money, you will regret your life. You come life come useless. You come life say man why can't take care of you. Come get yourself a better life. Wanna stop all this struggle. All relationship no need to lead to marriage. You can do better for yourself as a woman. Stop settling for less. And see your hairs, you will come to regret. Your wife go to laugh you. Your wife not get hairs. Eto footballer, Cameroon footballer, your wife will marry so she not get hairs. She not get hairs. Now so your hairs could think say he leave me and I go marry footballer because maybe he like hairs, he not get money, he not rich. He come out, he upgrade himself, she upgrade herself. What do you can do? You can't regret now. Say you for marry, you for stick there, suffer. At the end, they will come Europe, they go dump you, carry another woman in house. Now no they get sense. All una life now must suffer. Now not suffer na life. Now they fit stay. I hope so now get sense for once. If man leave you, go upgrade yourself. Not let her come meet you for where you for leave you. If woman leave you, go upgrade yourself. Enough. Enough, I beg. Man leave now for this video. Women wanna level yourself up. Now they believe say that one man can raise you up at this time. The more you better yourself, the more possibility you have to find a better man. So now so it be. I love all of you now. Well. So now they shine your YouTube channel be this. So I just say I put this video out for we women to shine our high, to shine our way. And not settle for less. Anybody will come out for your life, it don't come out. Now not get any business. It don't come out. Let them go. No regret, nothing. Because if it's supposed to be there, it will be there. If the man knows say he really wants you, no matter if as you don't get money, he will come find wife you. But you see you say you not be a wife. So you don't have to regret. Josiah. You don't have to regret any woman when they into this situation. Let it go. Face your life. Go better your life. Let your head see you say they regret saying for marry you. Not be you woman all the time. Now they regret say when I go for settle down for nonsense. I love all of you. Bye. If you see this video, you like them, make you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and put your comment there, put what you think for there. Okay? Maybe they rub my together for this channel. I love all of you. Bye.